Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about going to Cayucos Beach. And right now it's 7:49 and we're going to be leaving at 8. So without further ado, let's get straight to it. Hey guys, update. We're on the road now. And I'm back here with my brother. Say hi, Nate. So yeah, I'll update you guys after. We just stopped to use the bathroom. And now we're going up the mountains. And he just woke up. And now I'm gonna eat my snack. So yeah, I'll update you guys after. So I lost internet and my ears are popping because we're on the mountains, but it's okay. I also have my gummy worms, but I'm almost finished. It's okay. We're almost there, so I'll update you guys after. I made it to the beach, and my brothers are just playing with the sand. And it feels really good out here, so I'll keep you guys updated. Back from the beach, and now we're gonna go get McDonald's because we're getting kind of hungry. So I'll update you guys after.
What's the one that has two burgers? The number 9? Let's go ahead and go with the number 9, large size.
I'm gonna be doing a food haul.
Happy?
Fries. 2 McChickens. And you can't forget the soda. Some pretty good stuff. So we just finished eating and now we're gonna go to the ice cream place. So I'm gonna take you guys with me. Finished our ice cream and now we're back in the car. Now we're going back home. So today guys, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe and comment down below. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.